This is a video of how to chew gum. Alright? Y'all ready? So we open the wrapper like this, right? This is the instructions on how to chew your gum and make it a successful. I would like to show you first how not to chew your gum. That would be pleasant. Let's see. You open it, right? And you stick it in your mouth like this. And there's various ways to chew this gum. Let's see. Let's emphasize. So this is how to chew your gum. And you open up a wrapper, right? You, right, politely open it, stick in it, and you begin to chew like this. And when you're talking, you stop chewing and don't chew with your mouth open. Well, that's the lesson for today, guys. I hope you learn how to chew your gum. I hope when I'm sitting in the subway, I don't hear, or when I'm in the bus, I don't hear. It's really annoying. I'm just making sure by this video that people are informed on how to chew gum. I mean, I'm pretty sure YouTube has all these videos on how to. I'm making sure people on Facebook are watching them. And might as well put it on YouTube too. This can be useful to some people. Bye, guys. How to chew gum?